You singing, I'm Kelly. You playing, get deadly. It's burger, no jelly. I'm counting up Betty. You talking.
Alright, what's up guys? This is not going to be like any of my other videos. But if you have been watching the channel for, I don't know, when I first started it, we do have a couple backpacking videos. But yeah, we are in the Angeles Forest right now at Lookout Saddle. And yeah, we're heading to Devore Campground. Hey, what the F are in those things? Those like long bags.
This?
Yeah.
This is a chair that they could get me.
Why you, dude? There's tables and chairs where we're going.
Oh, they just handed it to you. Put it in your bag.
You don't need it if you don't want to bring it. There's legitimate camping table, like picnic tables.
You don't want to do my tripod. No, I don't want this.
Was that a tripod?
Yeah.
Dude, Michael looks the most outdoorsy here.
Yeah. Y'all are sleeping on me.
Alright, we got all these proper bags right here. And then your backpack's going backpacking.
Long job, baby. 1, 2, 3.
You look just like how I'ma be. Sacred geometry. In a line, in a line, in a line, in a line, in a line. 3 angels in kind, on time, go straight. Don't sign. You look just like how I'ma be. Sacred geometry. In a line, in a line, in a line, in a line, in a line.
Oh, hey,
Hey, do that again.
I'm doing the dishes. What? It's like a frisbee, and now it's a plate.
Why you look constipated?
Bye, guys.
I want to get like a cinematic shot of Michael putting fucking beer in there. Michael, stay there. Keep your hands on the beer.
Angels in kind, on time, go straight. Don't sign.
So after leaving West Fork, we just got to Devore, I think is how you say it. But yeah, that's 1.1 miles away from West Fork, so we just got here. Probably gonna set up camp now and prepare for the evening. Alright, so I kind of just took off by myself. The other guys are... I took off running, but the other guys are somewhere in this tree line coming up. Our campground, like Devore campground, is way down in this valley, pretty much at the bottom of this valley. And I just climbed all the way up. I know the next campsite following this trail is 5 miles from Devore. I'm gonna guess I'm like 1.5 or 2 miles away from Devore. But yeah, pretty actually, I can't talk, I'm too tired. I'm pretty close to the top of this ridge. Like I'm on the top regarding here, but it does go a little bit higher on the mountain range if you go that way. But yeah, it's a pretty cool view. No snow, which I was kind of surprised about. Well, we're kind of on the top now, but we're losing daylight pretty fast. We also lost Will somewhere over there. Yeah, Michael and Nick turned around. They're like, well, they're way down there now. We're almost approaching the top of the range that we're in, at least. But yeah, they're kind of see Los Angeles now. We're almost there. Look at the clouds over there. Like absorbing or eating the mountain. Yeah, I think that's our road over there. Continues that way. There's LA. I don't know what part of LA. It's like Azusa or something. Michael, Michael, do it!
Pouring one out.
Woo! You sleep all right, Trav? It's 44 degrees at night. Well, like at 7 a.m. it was 44. I don't know what it was in the middle of the night. How's the bivvy life?
Good. Better than I thought. My coffee.
Yeah, pretty much.
He wants to take stuff out.
Wait, what?
It looks like a cocoon.
There's in the chat. Oh, God. Okay, that one's good.
Pack it up.
Looks like you're being impaled by a tent pole right now. It's 9:30 right now. You're still in there for 12 hours. Currently on the way out. We are 2 minutes and 55 seconds in from leaving Devore Campground. Ooh. Left side table? Left side table? Right side table? Okay, so we left Devore Campground an hour and 48 seconds ago. We've already passed West Fork, heading back towards the car. Just a really bad climb. Pretty much the rest of the way, like the last 3 or so miles. I'm actually leading right now. everyone else is going at a little bit of a slower pace, so I'm pretty far out in front. Yeah, it's a pretty difficult, a pretty strenuous hike back to the car, so yeah, it can be pretty tiring. Still got running water nearby though, so that's cool. And today is December 28th. I didn't check the temperature throughout the night, but at 7:30 a.m. at Devore, it was 44 degrees. And then by like 8 o'clock, it was 46 degrees, according to my watch. Yeah, so not too cold. Definitely no snow or ice anywhere that we've seen. Those towers way up there are where the car is. So as you can see, it's a pretty big hike up way at the top of the mountain. There's a couple like antenna towers or something, cable towers, I don't know. So up there, those are the towers that I was talking about. I've already climbed up a pretty good amount. We left Devore an hour and 16 minutes ago. Yeah, making good progress. It's Will. It's Travis. We're nearing the top. Woo! Oh, made it. We're at the top. Car's right there. It's just one more switchback. Yeah, we came from the bottom of this valley. Dang. That was really good. All right, I'm gonna head to the top and then I'll get another view. Good. Woo! Woo! We did it! Yeah! It's so windy up here. And now it went away. What? Yours?
Yeah.
Fuck. What did it take?
I don't know.
How'd they get in?
That window there. I don't know if it got broken into, but...
Oh, fuck, man.
But I know Nick left his wallet in here. I don't know if it's in here.
Fuck.
But I don't think there's anything else.
So, is your car okay?
Yeah.
God damn. And so they took Will's clear box full of emergency supplies, but didn't take the credit cards.
Taking Nick's wallet though.
Maybe. We'll find out when he gets here because we don't know where he left it. What's wrong, Christian?
It's way more comfortable to walk backwards. Walk forward. I guess these shoes are too small for. I don't know. Oh god.
You got blisters?
Yeah.
Woo! One more. Wait, and Nick, did you leave your wallet in Will's car? Yeah. Where?
I don't know. Oh shit.
Oh god. He might not have a good day now.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Someone break in?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Where did you leave?
I think I just left it in the box.
Yeah! Did you leave anything in Will's car?
I don't think so.
Good.
Damn it.
Yeah.
All because of Nick.
Yeah.
Michael gets hit by a Porsche.
Michael obviously brought everything with him.
Guys, I know you have another one of those.
Big bar.
I'm not taking it.
Will's or Nick's wallet
My bag.
and his bag and Will's emergency box, but not his credit cards.
They didn't find my secret compartment.
Oh. Bummer.
Michael, why don't you? It's Corolla game. Why don't you wave?
They were behind me. I didn't see it.
asshole.